Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Alternator Mitsubishi Lancer. Easy method. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. I walk you through removing the serpentine belt, unbolting the alternator, and swapping the unit step by step. I explain common gotchas, how to handle connectors safely, and tips for torque and belt routing so you can finish with confidence and minimal stress. In this segment, I explain the essential tools and why each one matters for a smooth alternator swap. I describe socket sizes, tensioner options, and why a multimeter saves troubleshooting time later. I give quick tips on organizing hardware, protecting paint, and preparing a clean workspace. These simple preparations reduce frustration and keep the replacement process efficient, safe, and much more predictable for first-timers and experienced divers. Here I walk you through the core steps to remove and replace the alternator on a Lancer. I cover belt removal, disconnecting the plug and B+ cable, and the proper bolt sequence for removal and installation. I explain hand techniques for alignment and how to avoid cross-threading. Finally, I describe reinstalling the belt, checking belt tension, and doing an initial power test to confirm charging operation before reassembling panels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.